Look at that. Look at that glorious anthill. It's a serious situation. If you look at it out more, you'll see it's pretty bad. So I've been struggling with this area for a little while now, but I have discovered a way to solve this problem. I've used it in other areas of the yard, so what we're going to do is we're going to skip all the expensive chemicals that don't work, like Severin and all that other crap you see piles of at Walmart, because, you know, they just want to sell you $5 crap that doesn't do anything and you have to water it like you're planting grass. Well, I'm going to tell you that's not what we're going to do today. We're going to solve this problem for $1. So what we're going to do is I went to Walmart and I got this bottle of bleach. Top Job $1 bleach will solve your problem. So we take it off. Let's just get right to it. I'm going to take the lid off and get it ready. Now, if you see here, there's two entrances here to this one. There's this one here, and then there's another one on there buried a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to pour it right in the hole. Right in the hole. And these are red fire ants. So you can imagine, if they get close enough to you, they're going to bite. So we're just going to get up and let that go for a little bit. Now you see how it sinks? That means it's in the tunnel. So what you have to do is you have to let it soak to where you have no more fluid on top. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to keep repeating this process until it's all good and closed. You can see how they're getting a little restless. It's always a good idea not to get too close to these things. You can see how deep it is by the indentation when the liquid hits it. A little bit more. Stretch it out to the other hole with soap. Now while you're doing this, you just have to be aware that you should probably not be so close to the anthill. Just keep an eye around your legs, because they start to scatter when you do this. So you can see now they're flailing around in there. And yeah. So we're just going to let that soak in a little bit and start off with the next round. Now you'll see that they have scattered everywhere because they don't know they can't go back into their hole, and it's all covered up. And yeah, but if you're looking close, you'll see that you'll see that there's still tunnels there. There's still tunnels. These things get deep, especially out here in Texas. So we're going to pour some more in, and we're going to let that soak. The important thing is to make sure when you're doing this that you get it, you make sure it absorbs. You don't just keep pouring it in, because what you're doing here is you're making sure that the bleach gets into the tunnels. The bleach has to get into the tunnels, that way it knocks them all down and repels them from coming back. So this one, as you can see here, you see how they're in there? So that's what we're going to do. See how it goes right down? That means it's going into the tunnel. And that's what you want. That way it keeps them, because if you ever tried to kill an ant hole and you take it down, you think, okay, well it's good. And then like 3 days later it comes back and there they are. So we're going to not do that. We're just going to keep pouring this in. See how deep they are. You can see the bleach just go right down the tunnel. This one's pretty bad. This is they actually made this one on the side of an older one that I had taken out. So See how it just goes right in, right in. Look how deep that is. That's how embedded they are. As you can see, that they're really deep in this one, and so I'm just gonna keep pouring. Okay, well, that's the last of the bleach. So we're gonna pick up and see what happens in the morning. I did also just take a shovel and kind of smooth that out, so that way any existing holes they're gonna have to go through the bleach to actually come back and hit with. So see how it goes. Hey again, everybody. I just wanted to let you know that a couple days later, and after this has dried out a little bit, you will see that the ants are gone. So instead of running out to Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, and getting ripped off for anthill spray, nah, $1 saves the trick. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.